and your GP has just sent me to examine the nerves that are in your legs, and everything that we discussed today will remain confidential between you, me, and the training team. So for this examination, I'll get you to wear shorts if that's okay, which you are in already, and I'll get you to take your socks and your shoes off, and yeah, and is that okay with you?
Yep.
Okay, great. So can I get your full name, please?
Jane Doe.
Yep, and your date of birth?
The 21st of January.
Yep, and your age?
That makes me 21.
And your occupation?
I'm just a student.
Okay, and are you of Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander origin?
No.
Okay, great. So we'll get started. That's okay. Okay, so now can I get you to cross your arms and stand up for me? Yep, so no signs of proximal muscle weakness, which is good. And can I just get you to walk normally up and down? Yep. So I didn't notice any signs of abnormalities in the way that you walk. No signs of S1 or L5, L4 lesions either, so that's good. Okay, so now I'm just going to have a general inspection of your lower limbs. So first, can I just have a look? And can I get you to turn over? Thank you. Okay, you can turn back over now. So I didn't notice any signs of swelling, any signs of scars, no signs of deformity, and your posture seems good as well. No signs of muscle weakness or muscle atrophy or any hypertrophy. I didn't notice any involuntary movements like any chorea, hemipalismus, and no tremors either. I'm just going to have a flick of the muscles here. Yeah, can I get you to turn around? Right, you can turn back around now, so I didn't notice any fasciculations, which is good. And now I'm just going to get you to do a few special tests. So first, can I get you to turn over again? So this is the Trendelenburg test. And can I get you to stand on one leg for me? Yep, and on the other one. Great. Okay, you can stand normally now, so no signs of abductor weakness or negative Trendelenburgs. And now can I just get you to stand normally? Yeah, and then close your eyes. Yep, so no abnormal swings, so Romberg is negative. And now can I just get you to open your eyes again? And I'm going to pull your shoulders back from behind, and I'll be here to catch you if you fall. It might be a bit sudden. So I'm just going to relax. Yep, so pulse test negative, no signs of Parkinson's disease. Okay, so can I get you to just lie down, is that okay?
Yeah.
Yep, now I'm just going to have a feel of the tone of the lower limbs. So just going to get you to relax and make your limbs go floppy. Yeah. Great, going to check the other side as well. Great. Great, okay, so I didn't notice any signs of rigidity, which is good. And now I'm just going to check for clonus. So, and now ankle clonus. On the other side. Okay, great. So no abnormalities seen there, so that's good. Okay, so now I'm just going to test the power and the strength of your muscles. So can I get you to raise this leg up straight for me? Yep, and stop me from pushing it down, stop me from pushing it down. Great, stop me from pushing it up. Great, and on the other side, so lift it, stop me from pushing it down, stop me from pushing it up. Okay, great. And now can I get you to move this leg towards me? So, yep, and stop me from pushing it in, stop me from pushing it in, stop me from pushing it out. Great, and now can I get you to move this leg away from me? Yep, so stop me from pushing it out, stop me from pushing it out, and stop me from pushing it in. Okay, great. And now can I get you to bend your knees for me? So this one. Yep, and stop me from pushing it out, stop me from pushing it out, stop me from pushing it in. Great, I'm going to repeat on the other side. So stop me from pushing it in, and stop me from pushing it out. Okay, great. So you can relax now. Can I get you to now bring your feet forward? Yep, and stop me from pushing it down. Stop me from pushing it down. Okay, and can I get you to point your toes for me? Stop me from pushing it up. Stop me from pushing it up. Okay, great. And now can I get you to bring the soles of your feet inwards? Yep, like they face each other. Stop me from pushing it out. And stop me from pushing it out. Great. Can I get you to point the soles of your feet outwards? Yep, and stop from pushing it in. Great. Stop me from pushing it in. Okay, great. So power or normal, 5 out of 5, which is good. Okay, so now I'm gonna just check your ankle reflex, so just relax. Yep. Yep, so that's normal, which is good. Okay, so now we're going to do the knee reflex. Yep, great. Okay, great, so that's normal. Okay, so now we're going to do the plantar reflex. So this is looking for upper motor neuron. Yep. Okay, so now we're just going to test your coordination. So can I get you to run the heel of this foot down the shin of this one? Yep, and up, and down, and as fast as you can. Okay, great. And now can I just get you to repeat with the other foot? So up and down, fast as you can. Okay, great. So you can relax now. And now can I get you to tap your feet against my hand as fast as you can? And this one as well, as fast as you can. Okay, great. That's normal as well. And now can I get you to touch my finger with this toe? Yep, and down as fast as you can. Up and down. Yep, and on the other side. Yep, as fast as you can. Okay, great. So no abnormalities in coordination. I'm going to test the sensation in your legs. So firstly, I'm just going to be using this pin to test for pain sensation. So first, can you feel that?
Yeah.
Yep. And can I get you to close your eyes and let me know if you feel something?
Yeah. 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 Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
Can I get you to bend your knees as well? Yep. And were they the same on both sides?
Yes.
Yep. And the same on as your chest?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, great. Okay, so now we're just going to test your vibration sensation. So I'm just going to use this tuning fork. And can you feel that on your chest?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So I'm just going to be putting it in parts of your foot, and can you just let me know whether you feel it and when the vibration stops. So can I get you to close your eyes?
Yeah. Yeah. Stopped.
Okay, great. Okay, so now I'm just going to move your toes up and down. So this is up and this is down.
Yeah.
And I'm just going to get you to close your eyes, and can you let me know whether I move it up or down?
Sure.
So can I get you to close your eyes? And up or down?
Up.
Up or down?
Down.
Up or down?
Down.
Okay, great. Going to do the other side. So up or down?
Up.
Up or down?
Down.
Up or down?
Up.
Up or down?
Up.
Okay, great. So your proprioception is normal, which is your ability to sense where your body is in space. Okay, so that concludes the end of our examination. So I'll go have a chat with the doctor about what we found. And thank you for your time.
Thank you.